The light bouncing off of brass lamps, scarves fluttering above the alley, souvenirs stacked like treasure. This will become the painting. So, I did what I always do. I turned memory into color. From the very first pencil line, I knew this piece would be a world with a frame. The Bazar wasn't just visually complex, it was alive. Lanterns dangling like stars in a low sky, spices heaped like treasure, small souvenirs tightly packed, and voices echoing through narrow stone corridors. I don't have a finished style in mind, only a feeling. Something aged, something sacred. I leaned into earthy tones, sun-washed browns, dusty golds, ochres drawn from the desert itself. Layer by layer, the painting unfolded, and with every stroke, I was transported back to the scent of saffron and leather, the distant call to prayer, the quiet awe of ancientness woven into everything. This isn't just a painting. It's a portal, a memory captured in pigment, a story told in color, in silence, in time suspended. It's Cairo, not as I saw it, but as I felt it. And maybe, just maybe, you feel it too. Cairo is loud. Cairo is messy.
Let's do it. This guy got
But
no
Cairo
lights.
is alive. And if you open your heart to it, it will leave colors inside you forever. Dig out